Hey guys, this is called our coaching competency form, alright? Also known as clarity. Now, this form here, you would read it and you would ask, or you would say, this is similar to the culture building piece that the section I was done going over. I'm gonna tell you two different things. I'm gonna say yes and no. Now, the culture building is basically as a grading scale that a coach would do on a class performance. The coaching competency form is when the site manager would go to the coach and ask them, how do you properly explain, demonstrate, and what are the correct muscles that are being used to perform a deadlift? Now, the site manager will go in here and, of course, you can put 5 for excellent, or 1 for not acceptable, or 3 meets requirements. So, the coach who is being graded would have to properly demonstrate and explain the deadlift movement or the movement the coach asked for the coach to perform. They have to be able to demonstrate the exercise properly from a 3 or higher. We don't need twos. 3 is okay, but 4 or 5, which of these check marks here is where you should be. Okay. Now, these are the errors that the coach would, the site manager will fill out, and the recommendations to fix those errors. Okay, and we'll continue to go through the whole entire time. Just basically go through one section at a time. This could probably take approximately maybe on a grading scale of like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. The coach is being graded on more than one movement. So that's something to be aware of as well. So just want to make sure that you are always knowing the movements, properly demonstrating the movements to the best of your ability, understanding the movement, and be able to explain the movement that you are being quizzed on or wanting to go over. Like I said again, here are the sections where the site manager will fill in errors and the recommendation to fix any errors you have. Conclusion, the site manager also fill that out as well. So that way, the coach has a full how can I say, a full clean head and full clarity of full clarity of the movements and demonstration of what the site manager is giving the quiz on. Make sure that they are in tip top shape and always at 100% on that game.